Hello everyone! Magandang weather ngayon dito sa Reno, Nevada. It's spring na kaya wala nang snow. It's nice to go outside, gumala. Ayan, you don't need to wear a coat now. Kasi wala nang snow so far. The clouds is nice. At saka the sky is blue. Kaya ganda talaga pag spring weather. You just need a sweater sometimes. Tingnan nyo yung mountain ay na lang, little snow na lang ang natira. Na melt na yung mostly. Ayan, may bundok kami dito. Ayan, let's go outside. Diba, ang ganda. Ayan, sa doon makita mo yung casino. Ang ganda talaga pag weather na ganito. Anytime you can go outside. Thank you everyone.